Welcome to Desi Dhaba friends. Today we are making sabudana khichdi. This dish is popular during Navratri time and especially with the people who doing fasting. Let's start with the recipe. We will take 1 cup of sabudana and we will wash until the water get clear. Then we soak the sabudana approximately 7 to 8 hours, and after that we will drain the water and check the sabudana, it will smash properly with your finger and thumb. Then we take one heavy bottom pan and we will add 3 tablespoons of desi ghee and put into low medium flame. And after that, when ghee will heat up, we will add half tablespoon of cumin seed, jeera, and we have to wait until the jeera get crackle and it getting cooked properly. So after that we will add 2 to 3 green chilies. It's depend upon you. If you like spicy, you can add more. If you like less spicy, you can reduce the chili. And we will saute into low medium flame and wait until it getting little bit soft. Then we add 1 cup of potato. It's around 1 potato. You will cut into small dices of potato and saute it well until it getting golden brown color. And we will add some curry leaves and we will saute this one also. We need to check the potato, it getting little bit softer because we will not cook sabudana too long, so the potato getting little bit soft. And we will add peanuts, approximately half cup of peanut, it's enough. This also depend upon you. You will need, if you have allergy with the nuts, no need to add peanuts. Then it's time to add our soaked sabudana inside the pan. We will add all the sabudana into that, and we have also crushed peanut, it's also optional if you like. And we will add few raisins, it's also optional. It depends upon you. If you like the taste, you can add, it will give richness to the dish. And especially this sendha namak, we will adding in the dish sendha namak because we are making for the fasting people. If you are not doing any fasting, you can add regular salt also in this one. And we will mix this one properly and we will cover it and wait for 2-3 minutes to get cooked. Guys, please remember this sabudana already soaked for long time, so it will not take too long cooking. It need only 7 to 8 minute cooking, and you need to wait only that time, not cooking so long. You need to check this one, the sabudana will get transparent, it means it's cooked already. The reason behind we soak this one 7 to 8 hours to remove the starch from this one, because this one made from tapioca, so it have starch content inside. That's why people soak only for few minutes and are making this one, it getting sticky. And we will add our lime juice in the last. If we add lime juice in the early, it will give the bitterness to the dish. We will garnish this one with the coriander leaves. Now the dish is ready. You can try this one at home and tell us in our comment section. Please like and share our channel Desi Dhaba, and we will continue making very good videos for you. Thank you for watching Desi Dhaba, guys.